Hello good people, welcome to a Focus on Fragrance channel. I hope you're all doing very well and smelling great. Today I'm going to be doing a first impression and unboxing video, and the perfume today we have is the Oud Mood from the house of Lattafa. And Lattafa has 4 fragrances in this particular range, which is the Oud Mood. This one is the Oud Mood Elixir, which is written over here, and this has 3 more. The most famous and the most sold is the Oud Mood Original, followed by Oud Mood Reminiscence. This is the Oud Mood Elixir, and the 4th one is the Oud Mood Musk. So today we'll review that some other day. I have this one today, so I'm gonna do a review on this one, and I'm gonna do an unboxing of this. I haven't really smelled this one, so let me try to open it from here. Okay, let's see if we could open it from here. I think it's working, so let's try. Yes, it's opening. Okay, I'm gonna pull this from the inside. I do like the packaging a lot. Let's take out the bottle. Oh, it's a heavy bottle. Let's put the bottle over here, close the lid. From the inside this looks like this, to hold it in one tight place. Let's close this up. Okay, so this is like a purse sort of a thing. You can just put your things in this. I thought this would be like a cheap plastic or a cardboard. If I try to push it, this would break, but that is not true. It is a very hard material. I do like the packing a lot. The presentation is perfect for this. On the bottom you guys could see made in UAE. Here is the barcode. There you get the batch code with the production date, expiry date. This particular one is from 2020. On the front, Oud Mood Elixir over here. On the top, Lattafa with this golden ribbon. On the back side you get the ingredients and nothing more special. Legitimacy sticker over here, you can check that out. So I do like the packaging. And here, okay, a heavy metal cap, Lattafa written on the top. A heavy glass bottle. I do like the bottle, and this golden ribbon all wrapped all around it. And this is like a fabric printed over here, Oud Mood written over it, and a heavy metal cap. Let's check the sprayer. It does have that oud. It's not so strong as I imagined. Not too loud. The opening is not too loud as I imagined. Okay, it's not too bad. On the bottom, a sticker of oudy perfume, made in UAE, 80% volume. And this was the presentation. So I think this was all for the first impression and unboxing, guys. I will be doing a full review on this. Stay in tune for more videos, and a full video on this going to be coming up. If you like my videos, guys, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next video, guys, take care and bye bye.